Good morning, afternoon, good day. Hi. We are doing a 2022 Toyota RAV4, adding a proximity key. Here's their existing key. I have two keys with me here. I have one that I am not 100% sure is right. I'm pretty sure it is, not sure. So we're gonna give that one a shot and figure that out. And then I have the one that I know is definitely right if that doesn't work. Hoping to get lucky. Pretty sure it's the right key, but one way of figuring it out for sure. Is this a hybrid? Yeah, it is a hybrid. I don't know why that matters for programming, but it's good to know now though, instead of me sitting here trying to start the car when I'm done and not knowing it's running because it's a hybrid. Done that more times than I should have, really. I'm going to go to keyless system. Hopefully, being add a key, we don't have to do the codes and all that. I should have backed up the email data. That's what I needed to do, I think. Yeah. Let's go back out and back up the emo data. I think that saves you from having to get around the code. It's been a while since I've done one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, 5 leaves it on. Why would you say 5? Alright, we're off. Hazard lights on. Back up the emo data. If I remember correctly, that gets you around having to do the rolling code. Be really nice. Already done that, dude. This function, this is backing up to EEPROM models with 8A smart key, which we are. Yes, I do want to continue. Seems to be working. Nice. Okay. So it's reading the emo data. That's going to get us around the rolling code. Save us a pretty good amount of time on this job. Yeah, we'll be back when that's done. Alright, we are back. We have read the emo data. I just typed some letters in there because it's not going to save EEPROM.bin because there's 50 of them probably. Backup succeeded. Alright, now we're going to go back out to add key. It's eventually going to ask us, have we backed up the emo data? Okay, ignition on. Ignition is on. I think it's still going to run us into the code. Ignition off. Everything that's on. I think it's still going to run us into the code. Okay, here we go. Yes, we have. Alright, view. Latest. 8:29, 11:41 AM. That's us. Alright, program smart key up. Beep. Key I was not sure about. Beep beep. Alright, so we're good. Just gotta run this timer out. Okay, start to put a learn key up again. There we go. Learning succeeded. And we'll start her up. like I said, that's why I'm glad I knew it was a hybrid, because you don't hear the engine start. But it says ready right there, so that's how you know it's ready to drive and you're good to go. And we are done here.